Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Bienvenue à Paris. The City of Light is not just famous for its iconic landmarks, but also for its luxurious and unique accommodations. Whether you're visiting for romance, culture, or cuisine, Paris offers hotels that will make your stay unforgettable. Stay tuned to the very end for 2 entries that might just surprise you and redefine what luxury truly means. Let's count down the top 10 best hotels in Paris, with tips on when to book for the best deals. Starting our list is Artemisia Montmartre. Nestled near the iconic Palais Garnier in the Louvre, this upscale hotel offers a serene escape with amenities like a full-service spa featuring signature treatments such as aromatherapy massages and revitalizing facials. Guests can also enjoy sound-insulated rooms with high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring both tranquility and connectivity during their stay. Guests love the helpful staff and the chic ambiance. Rates range between $240 and $361. For the best deals, avoid peak holiday seasons like Christmas and New Year. Instead, book during late January or February for cheaper rates. For a stay close to the Eiffel Tower, Hôtel Eiffel Turenne is a fantastic choice. This property is praised for its clean, comfortable rooms and exceptional breakfast, featuring freshly baked croissants, a variety of artisanal cheeses, and made-to-order omelets served in a charming Parisian-style dining area. Rates typically range from $187 to $280. Visit during the quieter months of November or early March to snag lower prices. Next is Sully Hotel Paris. A newly revitalized property, perfect for art lovers, features art-inspired decor and is located near the Centre Pompidou. The hotel partners with local galleries to showcase curated exhibitions, enriching the cultural experience for guests. Modern amenities include premium bedding, air conditioning, and complimentary access to a selection of art-focused events in the city. Rates range from $323 to $484. Travel midweek and early spring for more budget-friendly options. At number 7, we have Hôtel de Roubaix, a cozy option near Centre Pompidou. Guests rave about its friendly staff and convenient location. Expect prices between $193 and $290. Book during late September or October for better rates. Les Tournelles is a hidden gem near Place des Vosges. This boutique hotel is steeped in history, with its architecture reflecting Parisian charm and elegance. Guests can enjoy unique historical touches like period furnishings and intricate moldings. Personalized services include tailored city tours and complimentary access to local cultural events, making it the ideal spot for travelers seeking charm, history, and attentive hospitality. Rates range from $243 to $364. Plan your stay for mid-June or late February for more affordable options. Coming in at number 5 is citizenM Paris Opera. This hotel blends modern design with tech-savvy amenities, perfect for a contemporary Parisian getaway. Nightly rates are between $275 and $412. Book during late August for the best prices. Hôtel L de Lutèce is a romantic retreat near Notre Dame, offering luxurious rooms and personalized touches. Rates range from $290 to $435. Avoid the summer rush and book in January for lower prices. This boutique hotel offers a unique experience with themed rooms and an on-site spa. Guests love its intimate vibe and excellent service. Nightly rates range from $230 to $345. Plan your visit for November to enjoy significant savings. In second place, we have Mandarin Oriental, Paris, with its Michelin-starred restaurant, Sur Mesure Patisserie Marques, offering innovative French cuisine, a designer spa providing personalized treatments, and a strong commitment to eco-friendly practices. This luxury palace is in a league of its own. Rates range from $1,200 to $2,500. Book during late February or early March to find better deals. Taking the top spot is the legendary Ritz Paris. With its unparalleled elegance, this hotel has hosted royalty, celebrities, and dignitaries. It's truly the epitome of luxury in the heart of Paris. Rates start around $1,500 and can exceed $3,000 during peak times like Fashion Week. Plan your stay during late January for the most affordable rates. Rates start around $1,500 and can exceed $3,000 during peak times like Fashion Week. Plan your stay during late January for the most affordable rates.